Hello YouTube and welcome back to another pack opening. This time I got 3 packs of Battles of Legend Crystal's Revenge. Ended up finding a local source for some cheap Yu-Gi-Oh packs. So here's what I got today. Let's get started. Let's go pack number 1. Got a G Golem Rock Hammer, Crystal Beast Topaz Tiger, Blackwing Breeze the Zephyr, Stonehenge, and G Golem Dignified Trillathon. Let's go on to pack number 2. Got a Crystal Beast Cobalt Eagle, Salamangreat Circle, Rainbow Bridge, Heroic Call, and Kawaki Mir Supplier. And for pack number 3, pull the Blackwing Graham the Shining Star, Crystal Beast Amethyst Cat, Dream Cicada, Todoroki the Earth Bolt Star, and Toon Page Flip. Well, thank you guys for joining me for this quick pack opening. It wasn't much, but I had fun doing it. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.